You remember Doug? We worked on a product for sourdough that would monitor your starter with the hopes of making sourdough starters easier to manage and maintain. Well, it's back. Sort of. So a couple of years ago, Allie on the team here at FirstBuild started designing this product that would sit on top of your jar and monitor your starter for you and give you key information about its health. Give you statistics like its growth rate, its height. It may give that information to your phone to tell you it's time to feed your starter to take care of it so it doesn't die. So at the time, we were really focused on not killing your starter. Well, it turns out that starter's kind of hard to kill. So we have some other ideas and pain points that we want to address. So we pushed pause on this product, but the interest never died. You all kept telling us you wanted something related to sourdough. So we're gonna bring it back and we wanna make it more. What pain points do you want Doug 2.0 to address for you? So I jumped on the sourdough bandwagon myself during the pandemic, like many of you maybe. I actually make sourdough and I've got some pain points. I actually won't feed it. I'll keep it in the fridge and I won't feed it because I don't feel like getting the scale out and getting messy, right? So for me, if I could automate that, that would be really valuable, and I would actually bake more often. The discard is messy. What do I do with the discard? It feels like such a waste to throw that in the garbage, right? I want to use it. What if I could conveniently get the discard out and use it more frequently? Or what if I could have the starter be ready on the day that I'm ready to bake? That would be pretty valuable to me. That way I don't have to put it in the fridge, bring it out, wake it back up, etc. So these are some of my struggles. Ultimately, I love sourdough. I'm gonna keep baking. If I can find a way, and you can help me find a way to make it even better, the process even more enjoyable, that would be amazing. So comment below, let us know what you think. We've got a link to the Facebook group that we've started to discuss sourdough, and so join us on this journey. We look forward to baking some sourdough bread with you. I gotta go feed this thing. It's kinda hungry.